Hey everybody! Welcome to today's video where we're going to dive deep into the differences between earning 5% in the stock market versus earning 5% in real estate. We'll look at how money is made with leveraging a loan, and we've got a great example lined up for you where two people, let's call them Alice and Bob, will be investing $5,000 each, one in the stock market and the other in real estate with a $95,000 loan. So, let's jump right in and explore how their investments fare when both increase by 5%. Get ready for a fun, informative journey with eye-catching whiteboard animation. Now, let's look at the stock market first. Alice decided to invest her $5,000 in a diverse portfolio. To keep it simple, we'll assume the entire market increases by 5% over the year. So, Alice will earn 5% on her $5,000 investment. Nice job, Alice. She now has a total of $5,250 in her stock portfolio after a year. Now let's turn our attention to Bob, who went for real estate instead. Bob purchased a $100,000 home by putting down 5%, $5,000, and taking out a $95,000 loan. Assuming the house increases in value by 5% as well, the value of this home would go from $100,000 to $105,000 at the end of the year. Now, let's talk about leveraging a loan in real estate investments. When we say leveraging, we mean using borrowed money to finance an investment. In this case, Bob is using the $95,000 loan to finance the majority of his real estate investment. So, with his property value now standing at $105,000 and his initial loan amount of $95,000, Bob's equity, the difference between the property value and the loan amount, has increased from $5,000 to $10,000. Wait a second. Didn't Alice make $250 from her 5% increase in stocks, while Bob made a whopping $5,000 thanks to his 5% increase in real estate? Absolutely. So, with the same initial investment, Bob managed to capitalize on the power of leveraging, meaning his return on investment was much better. To sum up, while both Alice and Bob made a 5% profit on their respective investments of $5,000 each, the power of leveraging in real estate amplifies returns, as we've seen in Bob's case. However, don't forget that leveraging also increases risk in case property values decrease or if you're unable to pay for the loan. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights on the differences between stock market and real estate investments and the unique role leveraging plays in the latter. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed our whiteboard animation explanation, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more engaging content from us. Until next time, happy investing and take care.